Alright fellas, Bear's back with Texas Bushcraft. I'm going to show you how these saws do on this fallen mountain juniper. It's what most people around here call cedar, but it's actually a juniper. But I'm going to start off with the Ultimate Survival Technologies. Comes in this little nylon carry pouch. Got a belt loop on it, nice clip on it. It's all rolled up into this little section. So you unroll it here, and that's the saw. It's got two straps for it to put your wrist through to hold on. I'm just going to cut off part of this this juniper off. See how it works. I'm not really sure how which side goes which direction, so I'm going to have to give it a try on both sides and see which one cuts a little better. Here we go, guys. Alright, well, it's getting stuck on that side, so let's try the other side. Maybe it's will bite a little better. It's definitely got a little more bite on that way. It's almost through. Just finished breaking it off. With all else fails, you can break it off with your knife, but that's not much. So yeah, I guess the side you got to use is the side with the silver ones on there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not, but there's two different colors on there. There's a blue and a silver. So got that one out of the way. Let's see if we can move this camera a little bit and possibly get you a different view here. That'll tire you out, guys. Actually. Alright, so there we go. We got the camera angle a little bit fixed. But here's the Bahco. Comes with this leather thong on it. I'm going to take that off and add some paracord to it, so I have some extra cordage with me. It's got a nice lock on it, so it'll actually lock closed. You have to push the button to open it, and it'll lock in the open position. But I believe it's 9 inches to the blade. The handle's another 10 inches on it, so it's probably a little over a foot and a half, somewhere in there. Yeah, the teeth are pretty sharp. I don't know how well this camera's going to pick them up, but yeah, I mean they've definitely got some bite to them. So this cedar here is probably about 5 inches in diameter. So let's cut through this thing and see how well it works. Well, I can definitely tell you, that thing cuts pretty fast, pretty nice. Like I said, that cedar, it went through pretty quick, you saw it, so definitely a lot easier than the the pocket chainsaw. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. The next video up is going to be on the pocket fishing kit I make, so I'll see you guys in a little bit.